Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to increase your everyday spend limit in Blue Cash Everyday card. So all you need to do is open your account and then or press this link, request credit limit increase, and then all you need to do is input your user ID and password and then press on login. If you have forgotten your user ID or password, press here. If you want to create new online account, press here. Confirm card received, press here. Visit our security center, also press here. So after you do this, all you need to do is go to your account and then go to everyday limit and then request to increase everyday limit. If you are responsible with the card and pay all your dues on time, your limit increase will be approved successfully. Else try to minimize the spendings of the card and then try to request for the limit increase each 6 months in order to get approved, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.